my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you are new, kindly consider subscribing. It's free of charge. Kindly do so. Now welcome. Yes people, today I have this photocell. Now you remember in my last video I did a video showing you how a photocell works, but because there was no power, now today I want to show you. You see, you remember I showed you the live where the live wire or cable enters, then the neutral, they share the neutral, then A means where the load supply takes. The load is this one. Now let me start. I will start by wiring our power. I'll start by wiring our power. You see, these are commons. The DP, the double pole, is where the power has taken. The neutral has come to this. You remember, if you see in my last video showing you how wiring a consumer. Now let me take the live. Now this live will come to this L, our power. Then from there, guys, let us give our photocell the neutral. Remember, we come to this neutral terminal. Then my photocell, I want to give it power neutral. Neutral, you see. Guys, you may wish you can if you don't want to loop your neutral from this photocell, you can pick your neutral from this angle. Now this neutral, I wire it to this bulb. Now guys, now the load come to this bulb. Now I think you are seeing. You see, our main has come as taken from this. Now guys, let us test. Now let us test. I've put on. Let us test. You see guys, let me remove. You see what will happen. You see, it has gone off. You see. You see guys. Yes guys, that's for today. Remember to subscribe in my YouTube channel. if you are new, consider kindly. Now if you have subscribed, I want to thank you very much. Thank you guys. Let us meet in the next video.